Hi, I'm Daniel from ALVAO and I will showcase you how to set up the automatic sorting application and how it works. Firstly, you need to download the certified app from the documentation and then extract the zip file. You will find there the certified app and the instructions. I have the main instructions open here in a notepad, so let's take a look. If you manage your environment by yourself, mainly on-premise, you will need to run the following script on your database. This will add a new configuration item to the application. In SaaS environment managed by us, we will do this for you automatically. After successful execution of the script, new item will appear in the application. In Settings, Advanced, New Setting, a new property value, Autogenerated Asset Resetting. In here, copy the JSON from the guide. Now let's explain the JSON a bit more. Here you can set if you want to display commands, sort users and sort devices. If you want to sort again already sorted objects, for example, employee changed a department in your organization, you update the property in the enter ID, then it automatically is changed in ALVAO and sorted again. Sorting already sorted objects is available only for periodic action. Imported users from Entra ID are newly created in folder imported from Microsoft Entra ID and objects from Intune in folder imported objects. Now the most important part for matching the right objects to each other. Firstly, sorting the users in the organization. In this case, automatically create departments and sort users under the departments. On object type user, take the value of property department. Then find the matching object type department in the organization and the name of the department, which is defined by the property also called department. Now, if you would like to sort the users according to, let's say, cities, then you just modified source property, destination class, and destination property, and you are good to go. Similar behavior is then for sorting devices. Now here we don't create any new objects, we just sort them. On a device, we find the property called user VPN, then match it to the user and its property value in username. If you want to sort the objects according to different properties, you just modify it here. And to the end, there is the main object type for organization. This value would not be typically changed. So now, I will just copy the JSON to the setting and save it. Let's continue to the applications. Here, I will import the new certified app. Once the app is imported, we can see that the app is certified. Now we just need to allow the application. Now the setting should be completed and we can run the automation. In the asset tree, on the folder imported from Microsoft Entra ID, we can see new commands, sort users and devices, and sort users. In my case, I just want to sort the users. Once the action is run and the page is refreshed, we can see objects disappeared from the imported from Microsoft Entra ID. When I open the organization and the IT department, we can see the new users sorted in here. Now, if the IT department would not exist in the tree, it will be automatically created by the automation. The automatic sorting is run periodically every hour, so we don't need to use these commands. This is just in case you need to sort the objects faster. This is the end of this tutorial. Hope it helps and hope you are enjoying working with ALVAO. Thank you. Have a good one.